In this video, I want to show you how you can use the Mega Pack to insert data or prompts into your PowerPoint, OpenOffice and PDF files. So these files, they can come from anywhere, not only PowerPoint or OpenOffice, but if you use Canva, for example, Affinity Designer, Google Slides, Keynote, anything like that, you can use these files in here and import your own data or prompts to them. So once the Mega Pack is loaded, next to choose an option, I want to go down to insert data, hit OK. And now we have our first option here. Do we want to add prompts to a new or existing file? So if you want a new blank file with the prompts wherever you choose to locate them, hit new. If you already have an existing file that you want to add prompts to, hit existing. So for this first example, I'm going to show you new. So hit OK. And then we have our page set up here. So let's do 8.2, 8.5 by 11, and that's in inches. Our shape setup. So this is the shape that our prompts are going to go into. If you want to center this, what I would recommend you do is put the shape width the same as the page width, like so. And then our shape height. Now, depending on how many lines of text and the text font size you have, you may need to adjust this slightly, but typically 1 or slightly below 1, such as 0.75 is fine. Our next option here is for our horizontal alignment. Now at the moment, it's on manual, same as our vertical alignment, but what we can do is automatically center our shape in the slide if we want by hitting center, or put it to the left or the right of our page. And we can do the same for the vertical alignment as well. We can put this automatically at the top, middle or bottom of the page. And of course, if this is on manual, we can set the inches. So the shape left, that's how many inches away from the left hand side the shape is, and the shape top, which is how many inches from the top the shape is. So on here, if I just go center and top, here you can select from any of the fonts that you've got installed on your computer, and you'll see a preview here. Again, we can choose our font size, our text alignment, where we want to the left of the shape, center or right, and whether we want that text to be at the top of the shape, the middle or the bottom, and finally, if we want it bold or italic. Now, our next option here is our files. And this is where we can choose the file where our prompts are located. Now you have two options here. You can either choose a text file, and I'll show you that here. And a text file just simply has one prompt per line. So a new line is a new prompt, like so. And the Excel file is from the PowerPoint version of the Mega Pack. I just open it up here, and this is formatted like so, where you have ID down the left hand side and then the prompt on the right hand side. And for each prompt, you need to add further IDs. So if you have prompt 11, you need to have ID 11, and so on. Which one you want to use is completely up to you. If I go back in now, hit browse, I'm going to use my text file here, hit open, and then finally choose where I want this file to be saved. And I can choose a PowerPoint file, a PDF file, or an OpenOffice file. Let's do a PowerPoint, and we'll call this dates. Hit save and then OK. Wait for that to complete, and that's done. If I then open that in PowerPoint to show you, And as you can see, at the top center of all my slides, I have all my prompts inserted into a new file. Now, if you want to do this on an existing file, the process is pretty similar. Hit insert data again. This time we're going to choose existing. Hit OK. Now this time it will give us the option to add prompts to a new shape or an existing shape. So what you can do is set up an existing shape in your slides. If I open this here, to show you. So what you can do is set up an existing shape wherever you want on the slide. So here, as you can see, I've got a shape at the top here. And then you can then insert the data into that particular shape. So to get the shape name, if you're on PowerPoint, you click on the shape, hit select, and then selection pane. You'll see the shape name here, and you can double click on it when you're creating these shapes to name it, because you will need that name in the mega pack. So I've set all of these shapes at the top here to date, as you can see, all the way through. So now if I go back into the mega pack, I'm going to choose my existing shape, hit OK. So now I'm going to choose that file what I just opened, so daily template 5 pages, and choose my start and end page, so that's 1 to 5. And now here I can choose what shape I want to add my prompts to. So I can do an exact match, which would be date. But say for example, you numbered them. So if you went date 1, date 2, date 3, if you wanted to match all of them, hit similar. And then that would also match all of the similar ones. Now again here, you have options for the font. Again, you can choose from any font that's installed on your computer. And you can choose here different font sizes, and of course the alignment, left, center and right, and top, middle and bottom, and also if you want bold or italic. And as I mentioned in the previous option, you can choose either a text or Excel file for your prompts. So hit open there and then click OK. And then now that's been added. If I open that for you, just wait for that to load. Now you can see it's inserted my prompts into my shape at the top to my desired settings, like so. Now, the final option is to insert prompts or data into a new shape. So say for example, you've created a daily planner template on Canva or anywhere, and you've downloaded it as a PowerPoint file, an OpenOffice file, or a PDF file. What you'll need to do first, if it's just the one page, say for example it's the daily planner, and obviously there's 365 days in a year, you have the one page. And so what you need to do first is you go to duplicate pages here. And what we're going to do, I want to show you on a PDF file. So let's do a PDF, my daily template here. So what I want to do, there's one page already, and I want 365. So if I duplicate this 364 times, and if I call this 365 daily planner, hit save, and then OK. Just wait for that to create. Okay, that's done. So now if I quickly open it to show you, all that's done is duplicated my daily planner, which was one page only, 364 times, so that I have 365 pages to cover all of my prompts for the year. So if I go back into here and I choose insert data, existing file, and this time a new shape, and then where it says choose the file you want to add your prompts to, I'm going to choose PDF file here this time, but the process is exactly the same regardless if you choose a PDF, PowerPoint or OpenOffice file. I'm going to hit 365 Daily Planner and open, and I want to add that from page 1 to page 365. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in the center and the top, and if I do that 6 inches, I'll choose my font and my formatting here, and center, middle, put that on bold, and choose my prompt file, exactly the same as before, either the text file or the Excel file. Hit open, and then lastly choose my save location. So do 365 Daily Planner complete, can't spell, completed. Hit save and then OK. Just wait for that process to complete. And now that's completed, hit OK. And if I quickly load the file to show you, as you can see now, I have my daily planner file with the dates added all the way through right to the end. So I hope this quick introduction video to the insert data feature of the Mega Pack helps you. Thank you for watching.